All right, see that? See that? Washer's letting in too much water, more water than what should be in the tub. Water's leaking out. So let's dig into this and let's see what's causing it. We're working. This is an LG washer. All right, I'm gonna throw a blanket in there. Quick run. But as you can see, water's coming out. So it's overfilling. So we're gonna do a drain and we're gonna refill the machine, recheck the washer. We're gonna check the pressure tube or the pressure switch for right now. So let's do a drain and then we're gonna do a refill. All right, so we're back here. This is the pressure switch. This one is the pressure tube. It goes all the way down and it should be connected. Should not have any holes. So we're going to disconnect it and I'm going to blow into it. Let's pause the washer. All right, so now the machine is paused. Once you disconnect this one, the corrugated one, you will hear some air escaping. Okay. Now what you want to do, you want to blow in it and you want to hold it with your tongue, unless you have like a baby suction thing, and you can use that, poke it in the hole. If not, just blow in it. Make a bubble into the tub. That means that the passageway is nice and unrestricted. And then what you're going to do, you're going to hold it with the water pressure against your tongue, and that's going to tell you that the hose is good and the problem might be up here in this pressure switch. All right, so blow in 3, 2, 1. Okay, it held. So I did almost like I heard something moved when I was pushing it back in. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put the machine in the drain and then we're going to start over the cycle. And when it has taken on enough water, we're going to open the door and you should not see water coming out. All right, so in theory, you could actually reconnect this because right now there's no pressure at all in the hose, but I like to wait until the tub is empty so you don't have any vacuum or any residual pressure. So let's do a drain and spin. So we're going to reconnect. Drum is empty. I think it fell down. Can't go too far though. All right. Always secure your things back in the keeper. It protects them. Tap that once or twice. Now let's start. Remember, water was coming out. Starting a new cycle. All right, washer's not overflowing. Even with clothing in or blanket, you can see it's not flowing out. Check the simple things first, guys. Don't always assume you need to replace parts. In fact, it was not a bad pressure switch. You had some restriction in the pressure tube, so the pressure switch was getting a wrong reading. Pay attention. Thanks for watching.